Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima again, and you are welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use 2 to 3 natural ingredients to look younger than your real age, to look 10 times younger than your real age, guys. That's amazing. And also to get super glowy skin with just 2 to 3 natural ingredients. No harmful chemicals, no preservatives, no nothing, just 2 to 3 natural ingredients, guys. If you're interested in knowing all of this, please keep on watching and please ensure you watch this video to the end. My first ingredient is carrots. I'm going to be using all 6 carrots for our juice. Next, I will add a teaspoon of salt to it. This is to remove most of the pesticide residues that normally appear on the surface of the vegetables and fruits. Also, the salt helps to kill bacteria and germs. After adding the salt, I will go ahead and wash them thoroughly. Next is to cut off the unwanted parts like the stem and the root tap. I won't be scraping off the back because most of the nutrients are embedded on the back. I only remove the lateral root on the skin. So instead of chopping the carrots, I'll go ahead and grate it just to help my blender and also to get all its nutrients. Carrot juice provides vitamin C and beta carotene, 2 antioxidants that may protect your skin from damage. One study found that carotenoid-rich diets may protect your skin from ultraviolet damage and improve skin appearance. Vitamin C is necessary for the production of collagen, which strengthens skin. So after grating, this is all I have. Moving on, my next ingredient is going to be ginger, and I'll be using 3 of them. So I will go ahead and peel off the back. The antioxidants in ginger can help preserve your skin's collagen, making it an all-natural ingredient for anti-aging routines. You can reap the benefit by taking the juice internally. After peeling off the back of the ginger, go ahead and grate them into the already grated carrots. Please do not forget that you have to wash this ginger properly with salt before grating them. So after grating in my ginger, this is what I have, looking very colorful. So next I will transfer everything in my blender and add half cup of water into it to help get the juice all out. After blending, here is how smooth the paste is. Grating the carrots really helps me a lot. It helps me extract the juice properly. Next is to sieve the juice all out. So I'm sieving this bit by bit. I'm going to be sieving this bit by bit because my sieve is really small and won't contain all of that. So guys, here is what the juice looks like. So yummy. So I transferred that into a glass cup like so, cause that's the daily dosage for this skin glow booster. So my next ingredient will be lemon. I'm going to be using this medium-sized lemon. I'm going to cut that into halves. I'm going to cut that open and then squeeze it into my juice. Now lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. So guys, here is the magic juice. I'm going to go ahead and gulp this entire glass. You can take this every day, a glass every day for effective results. Within a month, you're going to see results on your skin. This is no jokes, guys. This works. You just have to be consistent. Take a glass like so for 1 month, every day for 1 month, and you'll be amazed at your skin and how young you're looking, just like me. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and gulp the entire glass and tell you guys how yummy this looks. So guys, watch. Amazing, amazing. I get the taste of the ginger. It's a bit hot, but I love it. Plus the carrot. The carrot is just so tasty, so sweet, so sugary, but that's natural sugar. I totally love this drink. This is one of my best smoothie, if I'm to say, my best juice. It's yummy. Try yours. And I really get the taste of the lemon. I don't know, maybe that's because I used just one lemon. I don't know, but I'm not getting the taste. The carrot actually overpowers the taste, so I'm only getting the taste of the carrot and that of the ginger. I'm loving this. This is so good. This is better than Fanta. For those of you that love taking carbonated drinks, those fizzy drinks, guys, you need to upgrade to this. This is the real deal. You should get to a certain stage in your life where you should say no to all the fizzy drinks and all those carbonated drinks, malts and the rest, for a healthy body. Guys, the more you age, the more you cut down on some certain things that we eat while we're little. So this is just perfect. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do well to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos with your friends. Our target is 50k subscribers, guys. Make this happen for your girl. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please share with your friends. Thank you so much for your support, your love and support. If you have any question for me, please leave it down below in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.